Hello YouTube, how you doing? This is Pat with Container Living. We've got some new episodes coming up and we're coming up with a new format for 2023. Welcome to Container Living. So this is the foundation finish episode. I'm putting everything together to show how everything came together and we did the final pour and all that type of thing, because right now we're actually ready to load the containers. So I'll keep you updated with all that, but let's go ahead and get this video, this episode squared away. And the next ones coming up will be when you see us actually start loading some containers onto those poured foundations. It's wonderful. We're getting there. Woohoo!
Hey YouTube, okay, just like I promised, today is concrete day. We got foundations done. So let me point over there too. You see it? See all they're busy. They are busy. I am so excited because look at the work that's being done out on the site. So I am so impressed. Daryl was out here earlier. He was doing some droning. He was able to get of course, to do our mapping. And also just get some overhead footage so we can see how things were going. Of course, the cart filled up, so we'll have to see how much we have. But I promise you, whatever we have, we will show on the video today. I'm very excited because now, once this dries and we pass inspections, we are ready to put some containers on the cement. So this is so exciting. Woo! Okay, so get ready. I'm gonna show you some footage and just a short video of what we got going on so far. Like I said, using the drones, going overhead, seeing what's going on. I've got some photos on the ground, and I'm telling you, I'm just excited. Woohoo! Hold on. everybody, we are wrapping up. So as you can tell, I'm in the back of the truck. I have to run a couple more errands, so that, just letting everybody know, updating the team as to where we're at on the progress of what we got going on the project. And of course, we got to line up for the next set of houses. So those surveys being completed and those type of things. So got a few tasks I got to take care of this afternoon. But most important is getting those containers lined up and where we're going to have them fabricated so that we can then come out and crane them onto the foundations. All right, y'all, this is exciting times. I'll keep you updated. Wait for that next episode. We'll see you later on Container Living. Bye.